Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Thegabriels. Today I'm gonna be taking you through how I achieve this beautiful yummy Edo look. You wanna stay tuned and let's get right into it. So meet my beautiful model. So first I'm making a part, more like a side part at the side. Then I'm using a rubber, the Koko rubber, to tie it round. I'll do the same thing, the exact same thing for other parts of the hair, having a total of say 5 lines and packing the hair all together. This is a full bun and I'm cutting it to get a low bun, more like a soft low bun. So see the way I do it. I'm so sorry, I promised to do a bun tutorial, how to form different shapes of bun, but I've been really busy. I've not really had time to do a lot of things, but very soon the video will come up. So I already ripped my extension off the camera, and right here I'm just putting it down on the bun. So this is for the front. I already weaved my extension also, and I'm placing it just a little behind the ear because I want my lines to show and I want to get a beautiful line. I mean, that's the purpose of the old rubber combing and all. So I'm just filling up the back with the same extension. So at this junction I'm done pinning. You want to secure well, and here is the after look. Simple, smart, easy, few steps, just really easy. And you can see how beautiful she is even without adding beads. So I did my beads off camera. I would also be doing a tutorial on how to lay beads on whichever hair you choose to lay beads on. And isn't this beautiful? If you love this look, I would love you to share with your friends, like, subscribe to my channel. Never forget to subscribe to my channel because next week video is gonna be bam, and I see you again next Sunday. Bye guys.